Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely Tesla Model X. Now in the video we'll just go round all the bodywork, we'll go to the interior, I'll show you some nice gadgets on the car as well. But this is the performance model, so it's the faster one in the range. It's got the Ludicrous mode on it, so I do recommend having a look at on YouTube at what the Ludicrous mode does. Basically the 0 to 60 on these cars are absolutely insane. Now the car itself is finished in this lovely black metallic paintwork, which is in lovely order throughout. You can tell the car's truly been cherished by the previous owners. We're riding on these lovely alloy wheels. So they're finished in the sort of matte black. Those are 22-inch alloys. Now, even though they're on 22s, the ride quality is absolutely fantastic. We've got the bright red Tesla Performance brake calipers in there as well. Looking through then to the rear, you've got another red Tesla brake caliper and a secondary caliper on the rear as well. We've got privacy glass to the back. You've got cameras all throughout the car, so you've got a camera there on the side, you've got a camera on the side there as well, cameras to the front, rear, pretty much full 360 cams on these cars. Now I've got the keys in my pocket. If I walk over to the door will just automatically open itself to me, so I've not pressed any buttons there whatsoever, and that just allows you to slide into the cabin. When you put your foot on the brake, that will just close the door for you, just like a Rolls Royce would. So, looking through to the seats, you've got this lovely light linen leather, part perforated in the centres just to allow the seat to breathe. But looking at the actual bolsters, they are in fantastic order. No signs of any sort of big stains, rips, tears, no discoloration. Now these vehicles are a 7-seater, so they are for a family sort of market. But if I show you through to the rear, this is another very neat feature on these cars. You've got the sort of gull wing doors on the back, and those doors are very, very smart, so they've got loads of sensors in them. So if you're in as the car park and you've got two cars parked either side, it'll slowly angle itself up to not hit the car at the side of it. Quickly then, looking through to the rear seats, again, fantastic order. You can tell it's been very, very well cared for. You've got individual sunroofs for both passengers. You've got a massive windscreen as well, so as you can tell it wraps all the way around and it's sort of tinted towards the top. Quickly then, just looking through to the rear, you've got the P100D badging, just to say that this is the faster model. So in the back we've got this lovely weatherproof mat. You've got your rear seats just under there as well, so literally taking this mat out, you can bring them up, and then you've got comfortable seating for 6. Closing the boot is just press of a button. You've got your reversing camera found just there, obviously electrically deployable tow bar, electrically deployable spoiler. You have got the tow bar on this vehicle as well, fully electric front seats. So we'll jump inside now. Inside, you've got a massive touchscreen there. You've got a digital cockpit as well. So this is currently showing that our passenger door is open and the driver's door is open. So if I put my foot on the brake, this will straight away close the driver's door. And then regarding the rear door, you can operate all the doors from the system here. So if I wanted to open the other side, all I need to do is press a button and that will glide up like so. Only takes a matter of seconds, and then I can even open the passenger door to let in my passengers, and then if I wanted to close them all, press of a button, and as you can tell, they all then fold in. We've got this lovely Alcantara headlining. Now obviously, because the roof goes all the way back, you've got this little extension which pulls out here. So you've got your mirror under there, you've got your blind from the sun, so that's a nice little feature as well. Looking at the steering wheel, it's a leather multifunction flat bottom wheel. On here you've got your volume and media controls, Your gear shifter's found just on the side there. You've got your cruise control and speed limiter, obviously full electric steering column, and then quickly just going through some of the features on this tablet. So as you can tell, you've got all the features of the car, so pedal and steering, suspension, as this is on air suspension, so fantastic ride quality. It's currently on very high, obviously got high, standard, low, very low, so when you're on the motorway it'll go into the lower mode just to sort of reduce drag and save energy. You've got your charging there, you've got autopilot, so this vehicle is actually updated with the autopilot self-driving system. We've got vehicle lights, display which you can fully change, trips, navigation, and much more. Now if I press through to the bottom here, you'll find a lot of nice apps. So you've got Spotify, you've got karaoke on this vehicle as well, so if you wanted to sing along with the car you can do. You've got arcade, so this is quite an interesting thing on the car. So you've got stuff like beach buggy racing, so basically this will show the game for you, it'll show you the track, and then your stop is basically your brake pedal, your go is your accelerator, and you control the little car on the screen using the steering wheel, which I think is quite smart. Looking through then, obviously you've got theatre, messaging, calendar, energy, you've got capabilities for dashcam, web browser. These cars are very intelligent. We've got this lovely carbon detailing all throughout the car, matte carbon, so that's on the dashboard and the door cards, center console. You've got massive storage bins. You can alter the shape of those as well, so you can have bigger bottles or you can take them out and just have full storage. You've got 2 USB ports and a 12-volt power outlet down there, central cup holders, central armrests, auto dimming rear view mirror, but very smart cars. Now I'll open the driver's door using the screen. Now when you actually walk away from the car, the door will sense that the key has sort of gone away and it'll just close itself automatically. There's no push buttons to start the vehicle. You literally just walk over to the car, jump in, put it into drive, and you set off. As you can tell, because I've moved away from the car, it's automatically locked itself, so the wing mirrors have gone in, the indicators are flashed. But a very interesting vehicle. If you'd like anything further on the car, please do get in touch. There's loads of features that we can talk through on the vehicle. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. At the moment we are trying to work via appointments, so please do get in touch before travelling down. We'll happily book you in. The vehicle is currently sitting in the showroom, so you'll be able to see it in the dry, but it's a nice vehicle throughout. So thank you for watching the video. Anything further, please do get in touch. But thanks for watching again, and we look forward to your inquiry.